I believe in my way. The world keeps on moving. I'm walking and stumbling. I'm trying but something, but I am not breaking. I rise. The younger me was dreaming visions of my future self. I kept them deep inside my pockets as I held and gripped them tight. If I could just stop reaching and get used to giving up,